Say hi.
Hi.
This is Gracie. Hi, Grace. Grace, can you say hi? She is 5 months old now. I thought I would show you guys what it is like to have your house professionally cleaned. As a very busy mom of 3 kids, ages 4, 2.5, and 5 months, there's my 4-year-old, Ollie. Oh, no pants. That's the 2.5. I'm super busy all the time, and I'm always cooking and cleaning and obviously taking care of the kids, but sometimes I just need extra help with cleaning, and it's amazing. So I'm going to show you what the house is like before and after the cleaning. Don't judge me on the before. It's Friday, and so I cook a lot and prepare for Sabbath, and so it's like extra messy and dirty, especially because I know they're coming today. So I'll show you what it's like. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Very busy. I'll start you in our room. I have to iron my husband's shirts for church tomorrow. I've made the bed, and I'm finishing the laundry. The closet needs work on the shoes. So anyway, the floors obviously are going to be cleaned because there's lots of stuff even just on the floors. Like I vacuum all the time and mop, but it's nice to have extra help. So I have stuff, kids' stuff usually on the floors. This is a bag that I'm giving to like a donation center because I'm trying to get rid of stuff. I don't like stuff. Anyway, I don't know if you can tell, but everything is like super dusty. You see the bathroom, if I can show you that. Okay, here's the bathroom. This is the only bathroom that we have not redone yet, so it's not remodeled. Anyway, the shower, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like obviously need a good cleaning. Toilet, I'm not gonna show you that because it really needs cleaning. But I'm 5 months postpartum, and my hair is literally everywhere, especially in the bathrooms. So that was one reason, like, I really wanted them to come clean, because look at, even on the floor, I've got a lot of my hair postpartum. Thank you very much. So we need help. Okay, here's the boys' room. They're playing in it. Got their beds not made. I have to put the clothes away. What? This one's so busy all the time. So you can see. So you can see there's dust. It needs to be cleaned. There's toys here. Not too terrible. And then the other bathroom here. We just finished remodeling this one not too long ago. Again, a lot of my hair on the floor, of course. The bathtub. You probably can't tell from this video, but it definitely needs a good cleaning. The toilet is always dirty because little boys are learning how to use the toilet. You can see here, it's always dirty because they're using the toilet and learning how, and they miss a lot. A lot. And the bathroom sink, it's just like, just dirty. You can see it. I cleaned it not long ago, but everything gets dirty so quickly. And it's just dusty in here. The floor needs a good vacuuming. I haven't vacuumed since yesterday. Gracie's room here. It's just usually it just needs a good cleaning, dusting, and all of that. And yeesh, I got a lot of laundry to do still. Okay, made breakfast. Usually I have to vacuum the floor after every meal with the boys because it's messy. I have to put the breakfast away still. I'm cooking. This is palmito. I'm making empadão de palmito, which is like a heart of palm pie, and also I'm making with this pastel de palmito, which is the Brazilian one. So I'm gonna show you guys the recipe soon. I'm just still working on it.
Mama,
So good though.
Mama,
Yeah.
what's this?
Okay, let's see it.
What's this?
Let's see it. You're gonna make something? Nice, babe. Let me see it. Ooh, big triangle, huh? And just more stuff everywhere. All right, more stuff that I need to organize as well, but she'll come in and she'll organize stuff for me also. So it's so nice. More messy floor. Couches. Messy couches, which are white. Not my favorite color with kids because it's dirty real easy and it's hard to clean. Kids ate crackers on the carpet. So this is our messy house. And this would usually take me, I don't know, hours to clean everything because it's just a lot of work. And it's never always clean all at the same time because I clean something and then they make it messy or dirty again real quick. So this is nice because everything will be clean all at the same time. Oh, great. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. What are you doing? Did you just wake up? Você acorda? Você acorda? Cadê o sorriso? Where's your smile? Where's your smile? See on the floor. There's plenty of food from breakfast this morning. And the chairs are all dirty. Just from today. I clean this and the floors every single day. But you can see how messy it can get very quickly. I typically have the doors open during the morning time because I just like the fresh air and it's nice and bright. So that actually makes my house very dusty, but I don't care because I like the fresh air and the sunlight, especially in the morning because it gets hot the rest of the day. So that's why my house gets so dusty real easily. In the pantry, I took some stuff out today. There's a bunch of stuff on the ground. And I still have to finish the dishes because I'm not going to make them do the dishes, but I've been busy cooking and doing laundry today. You can see that's why I have laundry out here because I have to fold those and put them away. Making lunch for tomorrow, some beans and big sink full of dishes. The counter is a mess because I was making pastel de palmito, which is right here, which is a Brazilian dish. Really, really good and yummy. Hopefully I'll have the recipe out soon. But everything is just like ready for a good deep clean. I clean every day, every single day, all the time. Like, in the house is clean by the evening because with 3 little kids, it takes a lot of my time and I just can't get things clean the way that I want it all the time. So this is the boys' fort that they made. They're now laying down for their naps. Oh, did you fall? You were sitting. You were sitting. That's better. That's better, huh? Now you're sitting, waiting for mama. The couches, the pillows, like everything. The windows are dirty. It's kind of hard to tell. I think you can kind of see it a little bit, but windows are dirty. Everything just gets dirty with 2 little boys. So, are you looking for me? Are you looking for me? That's the house before the professional cleaners come and clean it. And it's actually my friend who has the cleaning business, so I love it. I'll show you what it looks like after. I've had professional cleaners come to my house probably 5 or 6 times, especially when I was pregnant with this one, because I had 2 boys who were both of them were under 3 years old, and I was pregnant with her, and like cleaning the bathrooms always made me want to throw up, and I was throwing up the whole pregnancy anyway. Grace, thanks girl. But so I had my friend and her crew come a few times while I was pregnant, and it's just the best thing. It's a great way to relieve all that stress and pressure we have on us as moms, is to have somebody professionally come in and clean the house every once in a while. It doesn't have to be every week. I know somebody who has it every week, and I wish I could do that. That would be great, but it's just not something that's gonna happen. So I usually have them come every 4 to 6 weeks, it depends. Like today, I feel like I'm so glad I'm having them come today, because I just feel like everything is just very messy and also dirty, which usually I clean well, but I don't do like that super deep clean like they do. Here's our room. Much cleaner and more organized. Everything just feels clean, it smells clean. You can see like she even organized it, not just dusted and everything, but organizes the things so it looks better as well. And it smells so nice and clean in the bathroom. It's just, look, no more hair. My hair that falls out, it's all gone. The shower is nice and clean. Everything's just so nice and clean all at the same time. The boys' room. It looks so good. But it not just looks good, but no dust. And it feels so much better. What are you doing? Gracie's little room. All clean, so nice and organized. And the entire house is organized. What the heck? I don't know what he's doing. Kitchen. I know, hey, baby, I'm coming. Everything is nice and tidy and neat. I'm coming for you, girl. And everything is just nicely dusted. The windows that were dirty are clean. And it feels so nice. It feels ready for Sabbath as well. Ready for a weekend. And everything feels so nice, because everything, the entire house is clean, and I don't have to worry about it. So that's why I love it. And though I am very cheap, like my husband says, I'm like Mount Jubaka, like a cow's hand. Like I'm tight-fisted, I guess, with money. But for this, I don't care, because I need it, and it helps me, and I get to enjoy my children more and cook the food. So yeah, I love it. See, we're so busy all the time, huh? Not sure she likes that, babe. These are my babies. Where's Ollie?
I know.
Uh-oh. Ollie!